Welcome to Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by Tico Peoples Gas. I'm Chef Mike Smith, and with me today I have special guests from the Florida State Cheerleaders and the Golden Girls.
I'm Grant, and with me today is Olivia and Rachel.
Thanks, guys. So today we're going to make Renegade Steak Tacos, and we're going to use fresh tenderloin steak, and we're going to finish it with an avocado crème. So Grant and I are going to get started on cooking these tacos, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our natural gas stove to cook with.
So what's the benefits of cooking with natural gas?
Well, Grant, that's a great question. I like to use natural gas because it cooks extremely easy, it fires up fast, and you can cook it really low or really high, and you have great control over your heat, better control than you have with any other heat. We're going to get it hot, and I've got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil over here, probably just enough to kind of coat the bottom of the pan. So what we've got over here is some fresh tenderloin steak, and we've seasoned them up. Just a basic seasoning. You could use salt and pepper, you could use granulated garlic or Montreal steak, whatever you like. So we're going to take these, thanks Grant, and just basically lay them in this pan. You can hear them sizzle, and that's what you're looking for. And you want to lay them out flat too. So you're going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side, get them to about medium or so. And they're getting really close, really good color on them.
They look good.
Yeah. While those are finishing up, we're going to go ahead and heat up our tortillas. So I've got another skillet with a little bit of olive oil in the bottom just to coat it, and I've got it on low because again, you're just going to heat these up, makes them a little easier to build and to bend. We got our tortillas warmed. Steak's about to be done, so we're going to come over here and have the cheerleaders and the Golden Girls help me out, help me build them up. Guys, I'm going to let you go ahead and do it. So you're going to start with putting a tortilla. We've got these taco holders here, obviously our tenderloin steak that we just cooked, and so we've got some fresh cilantro over here. We've got some diced yellow onions, and we've also got an avocado crème, which is some sour cream, some pulverized avocado, a little lime juice, salt and pepper, real simple.
I want to eat.
All right, and hey, once you get them built, why don't you guys do that squeeze of lime, then give it a try. Tell me what you think.
Squeeze of lime. Voila, I'm a chef.
All right, guys, let's try them, see what you think.
Okay. That's so
Really
good.
You like them?
Yeah.
Well, you did a great job. Real easy dish, Renegade Steak Tacos. Hope you guys like them too.
So good.
Really good.
For more information about this and other recipes, as well as Peoples Gas energy conservation rebates, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.